everyone. Today we are going to learn step by step how to draw butterfly with this worksheet. For this we require oil pastel, permanent marker and pencil. Here 4 steps are given. With the help of these 4 steps we are going to learn how to draw and color butterfly. With the help of pencil you have to draw drawing first, but here I am using a permanent marker to draw a drawing. First of all you have to draw oval shape like this, eyes and some design on it. Afterwards you can draw wings like that with the help of pencil. Afterwards you use black color sketch pen or marker for border. Okay, like this we are going to do all part like this. Okay, now inside we are going to draw some design like this. You can change design also, but here I am as a simple I am doing circles like this. On different part I am doing same. We have to maintain design both part as the same. When you color something, then also you have to maintain color scheme also for both wings. Here I am taking a brown color. When you are painting some part, you have to paint outline part first, then paint inside. Like this. I am keeping the eyes part as a white there only. With the help of tools I am going to plane that part. Now here I am using a green color to make design. Color that big one circle. Like this. You have to paint properly, not should any part be remain as a white. For that another wing also I am doing the same coloring. Like this we have to color. Here I am using that same color but in small circle. And inside as a yellow color. Like this we are going to complete design. Here I am using yellow color as the outside. I am cleaning and making plain or smooth that oil pastel by using the tools. You can use scale there if you don't have that type of tool. In oil pastel it come with box. Here I am using a light blue color. The coloring is depend on you. You can change color also, but you have to use same color for both wings. And when you painting any part, paint first outline part sharp, then paint inside. Like this. Then you can paint fast if you make border proper, but you have to control your hand. Color will not go into other color and outside also. You have to maintain that control in your hand. Same like that, here I am using the orange color, outline part first and then inside. Like this way we are going to complete this beautiful butterfly. Like this you have to paint. If any white part is remain there, you have to overlap on it again, make it properly and color like this. Now I am taking light orange to paint that smaller wings. Like that we have to paint outline part first, then inside. Okay, we are going to complete assignment, this worksheet, simple and best. I am using red color for design inside, black color on top. Now our butterfly is finished. Make it smooth by using the tools like this. When you mixing, you have to use some cotton or something to make every push clean. Afterwards it's look like this when it complete. With the help of 4 steps, today we learn how to draw butterfly.